Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Here is a narrative summary of the Star Atlas community event, written in a conversational, podcast-style tone. The BREW C4 PTR Phase 2 Release Party Recap. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another recap of your favorite Star Atlas community hangout, The BREW. Today's episode was an absolute blockbuster, packed with high-energy banter, jaw-dropping community showcases, and the highly anticipated launch of the C4 PTR Phase 2. The vibe was pure celebration, mixed with some friendly, football-fueled rivalry as the team joked about an upcoming England versus Argentina match. But once the pleasantries were out of the way, it was straight into the good stuff. The show kicked off with an incredible presentation by community developer Jindo, who has been quietly cooking up a passion project called Atlas Legends. In just under a month, using Unreal Engine 5.8 and AI-assisted codex tools, Jindo has built a fully functioning, deeply strategic Web 2 trading card game set right in the Star Atlas universe. He walked the community through a live demo of the game, which channels the strategic depth of Magic the Gathering and the polish of Hearthstone. It features an Atlas launcher reminiscent of Battle.net, complete with friend lists, daily missions, and its own battle pass. Players will be able to climb a competitive ladder to reach the prestigious Legend rank, participate in draft modes, or learn the ropes in a single-player Academy campaign hosted by faction leaders. What makes this even cooler is that the Star Atlas team is already dreaming up ways to integrate Atlas Legends directly into the main game. Imagine walking into a bustling bar on Volant Station, sitting down at a card table with a fellow player or an NPC, and playing a round of cards using your Star Atlas account. Jindo's project is a shining example of the decentralized, builder-first vision of the Star Atlas metaverse. But that was just the appetizer. The main course of the afternoon was the official announcement that C4 PTR Phase 2 is live. This milestone brings an immense amount of depth to the player test environment, starting with a complete server wipe to give everyone a fresh start. The team broke down the massive new economic and combat layers rolling out with this phase. For PvE players, the localized LP pool system is still in play, now influenced by a dynamic tug-of-war mechanic based on how many starbases your faction controls. On the PvP side, things are getting wild with uncapped emissions. If you destroy an enemy fleet, you'll be rewarded with random cargo pods, loot from their actual inventory, and special medallions. These medallions act as a proxy for direct Atlas earnings, but there's a catch. You have to successfully extract them back to a safe starbase to redeem them. This introduces an incredibly tense risk and reward decision. Do you risk your cargo to push deeper into enemy territory, or play it safe and cash in? Beyond the economy, Combat V2 is here, introducing complex stat modifiers, damage types, and shield configurations. The team also highlighted the upcoming Democracy module, which will allow players to engage in regional governance. By using CSS claim stakes converted into housing units and assigning crew, players can vote on local starbase fees and earn a share of the revenue. Plus, for those grinding the PTR, you can now earn up to 500,000 base ZXP per phase toward the Origin season, with multipliers potentially boosting that to over 1 million ZXP. This update also shone a bright light on community collaborations. A massive shout-out went to Aridis, who completely reworked the council rank nodes so that different careers, like piloting, scanning, and crafting, now unlock actual, meaningful components in the game. Aridis also built a brilliant new goal system for Phase 2, which guides players through various UI menus and gameplay loops to make onboarding a breeze while the team finishes the single-player campaign for Phase 3. The team also gave a nod to Swift42 for his brilliant work on C4 automation tools. To wrap things up, the PTR Phase 2 is officially live and ready for action right now. To jump in, head over to stage.staratlas.com. Just a quick heads up for returning players. You'll need to log into your Zinc dashboard and connect your Golden Era account to link your Sage C4 account before you play. So what are you waiting for? Go claim your faction, set up your new character, and help shape the future of the Gallia Expanse. Until next time, fly safe, keep building, and we'll see you in the stars.